Thanks for joining me for today's video, Unhappy About Happy Sheets. Happy Sheets, or Smile Sheets as they're sometimes called, is a nickname given to the evaluation sheets that are collected at the end of a training program. Trainers and learning and development specialists know that evaluating learning is really important, but these happy sheets seem to add so little value, many people are now not even bothering to collect them. Why aren't they useful? Why have we got to the point where almost universally people are unhappy with their happy sheets? The key problem with these happy sheets is that in essence we're often just checking in that the participants were happy. We're asking the wrong questions. We're asking questions about the environment, about the catering, about the temperature of the room, about whether they like the trainer or not, and none of these questions will really add you any value when you're trying to evaluate your programs. In essence, this is a level 1 evaluation. So we're evaluating what has happened at the end of the training program, and we're evaluating at level 1, reaction. So we can't actually evaluate what's changed or what they've implemented because they're just about to leave in the training room and they haven't had a chance to do that yet. But we can make sure we're asking the right questions to evaluate the reaction to the correct parts of the training, rather than their reaction to the environment and the catering, etc. So there are three really important key questions to ask. Was this program a good use of the participants' time? Was it relevant to their work? Is it important to their work? And as always, use a rating scale on these. So use your scales of 1 to 5 by all means on your happy sheets, but make sure you're asking the questions about importance to their work, relevance to their work, and if it was a good use of their time. A couple of other good questions that I've heard and seen being used is whether the participant would recommend this program to others, again on your scale of 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 if you're doing a Net Promoter Score evaluation. And also whether, a good question is whether the participant felt the program was a worthwhile investment for the company. So there's 3 other things which are useful to consider. Asking them on a scale of 1 to 5, to what level have they learned new skills? To what level are the participants confident in their ability to apply the skills? And to what level do they intend to use the learning when they get back to the workplace? And for me, this is a really key question. So to reiterate, we can't evaluate what they have actually put in place, but we can ask the question, what do they intend to put in place? Now, as we look at some of these questions, they may sound quite challenging, and you actually need to be quite brave to ask them. But better to flush out any problems at this stage rather than sending out evaluations and surveys 2 or 3 months down the line and finding out things haven't been put into place. If at the end of a 2-day training program people aren't even intending to use what they've learnt, then clearly something needs to change with the curriculum. This is why it's worth checking in early. So I hope we'll all go out there and review our level 1 happy sheets, ask some brave questions, and start to get back some data from these sheets that are really useful to us in terms of evaluating programs. If you want to know more about evaluation, then you're more than welcome to give me a call. Happy to chat with you. And my mentors in the area are Jack and Patty Phillips, who run the ROI Institute out of the US. So feel free to contact them also. I look forward to speaking with you.